For the last 50 years, the manufacturing industry has been caught in a very expensive trap. We have been told that to automate a factory, we have to completely rebuild the factory. We have poured millions of dollars into perfectly flat concrete, perfectly straight aisles, and perfectly isolated safety cages. But in 2026, that era is officially over. Today, we are looking at the rise of the industrial humanoid robot. I'm going to show you why the bipedal human-shaped robot is the single most adaptable, financially brilliant piece of hardware. To understand why humanoids are taking over, we have to look at the massive hidden costs of traditional automation. Let us look at automated guided vehicles, or AGV systems, and standard robotic arms. They are fast, but they are brittle. If a single box falls off a shelf and blocks an aisle, a wheeled robot will often freeze and shut down the entire line. If a product design changes by 2 inches, your bolted down robotic arm has to be completely reprogrammed by an engineer. Traditional robots demand a perfect world, but as you know, the factory floor is never perfect. It is chaotic and constantly changing. This brings us to the ultimate superpower of the humanoid robot. It is called the zero-retrofit advantage. Think about it. Our entire physical world, our factories, our warehouses, and our catwalks were built for the human body. When you buy a wheeled robot, you often have to spend massive amounts of capital retrofitting your building to the machine. It walks over the cables, it climbs the stairs, and it navigates the tight corners. It is the ultimate plug-and-play hardware. But the physical shape of the legs is only half the story. We also have to talk about the hands. When you buy a traditional robotic arm, you have to purchase highly specialized, incredibly expensive digital end effectors. Humanoids completely bypass this cost. Companies are building hands designed to grip standard analog human tools. Your robot can simply pick up the exact same power drill, laser scanner, or wrench that your human workers are already using. Then there is the concept of labor utilization. Traditional automation forces you to buy one machine for one specific task. But a humanoid is an absolute generalist. A single bipedal robot can start its morning shift moving boxes in the warehouse. By lunch, it can walk over to the assembly line and help sort battery cells. In the afternoon, it reads a pressure gauge. It is the only machine on Earth that can be cross-trained across multiple different departments. If one assembly line goes down, your humanoid is not sitting idle. It just walks over to where the work is. Now, you might be wondering, how does it know how to do all of this without coding? This is the real breakthrough. We are no longer using linear programming. These robots are powered by physical AI using vision language action models. They have continuous video processing, much like the full self-driving software in a Tesla. They understand the physics. You do not have to write code to teach it. You simply have a human perform the task in front of it a few times. The robot watches the video data, learns the physics, and copies the behavior. It is that simple. This level of adaptability is why humanoids are the only real solution to the global manufacturing labor crisis. We are facing a massive shortage of blue-collar workers. Younger generations are not taking dull, dirty, or dangerous tasks. Humanoids are not here to steal high-level jobs. They are here to instantly plug the bleeding in your workforce. They take over the mind-numbing tasks, allowing your human employees to step up into management and problem-solving roles. Financially, the math is finally making sense. Today's models specifically target the OSHA sweet spot. This matches standard ergonomic lifting limits for humans, ensuring they can take over existing workflows safely. And the barrier to entry has never been lower. Major manufacturers are offering robotics as a service, or RaaS models. You can hire a humanoid for an hourly rate that is often cheaper than human labor, with zero maintenance liabilities. The debate is over. The future of the dynamic factory floor belongs to the humanoid. It is the only machine that adapts to your world. Stop wasting capital redesigning your buildings for brittle robots and start investing in machines built for the real world. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments where you would deploy a humanoid first.